This video discusses how to uninstall and reinstall your Trotec laser. So step 1, we need to load the job control folder shortcut on the desktop. Step 2 is we need to actually select all the folders that we need and drag them out to the desktop. You can drag them out one by one, or you can select them all and then cut and paste or copy and paste. I am just going to drag them all out. All the folders need to come out, and this TR material file is very important. We'll actually make a backup copy of it so that if it does get accidentally deleted, we'll be okay. So now our 4 important folders and files are out on the desktop, so they will not be harmed in the removal of this Trotec program. Now we're going to close out of our Trotec folder. We're going to load Job Controller Setup. That's going to allow us to uninstall the current Trotec installation, and then we're going to reinstall using that same link. So we'll let the installer go, and it's loading. Alright, so this part's very important. We need to click on Remove and then click on Next in the bottom. So Remove, then Next. And it's going to say, hey, are you sure you want to completely remove it? Yes, we're pretty sure. Alright, it's going to remove the Trotec program and all the shortcuts and links. We'll hit Finish. Now we need to go right back to that job controller setup. We'll load that back by double clicking on it. It's going to load back up. Now we're going to reinstall the job controller, and then by reinstalling it we're going to reload the executable and all those other files. And as soon as we're done reinstalling, we're going to open up our folder and put our 3 folders in our 1 file back. So here we are in the reinstallation. Okay, here we go. Alright, so we're going to click on Next, and it's setting up the installing software. Setting up. Okay, laser serial number is S as in Sam, P as in Paul, 0733. We're going to do company name. I'm just going to type in Mercury, and we're going to click on Next. Then it's going to say, hey, this is where I'm installing to. That's fine. We'll click Next. Now we need to make sure and click on the Speedy. Make sure you select Speedy. Click Next. Make sure you select 25 watts. Click Next. This is just saying what it's going to install under. Click Next again. And it's going to give you a summary. Click Next again. Okay, now we're reinstalling the Trotec laser software. So let that do its thing. Alright, we're reinstalled. We're going to click on Next at the bottom, and we're going to click on Finish. Okay, last piece of the puzzle. We have removed we saved all our files, we removed the software, we reinstalled the software. Now we need to move our saved files back to this shortcut to Job Controller folder. So here's the folder. Here's our files that we saved on the desktop. I'm just going to click and drag these back over. Now it's going to say, hey, whoa, this already contains this folder, and that's fine. We're going to say yes to all to replace all the folders and files. So now highlighted in blue are our files that we pulled back over from the desktop. These are your most important files. Now you're done. You can close out of this window, and then you can load your job control from the desktop, and it should load right up. There we go.